Hello people, fans of drone videos and fans of mountain nature and nature overall. Today I will show you this video that I made. Probably this was at the beginning of June, something like that, June 2026. And I went to release my drone nearby Polkovnik Serafimovo Village in the Rhodope Mountain in Bulgaria. So what you see here is the Rhodope Mountain in its pure pristine look somewhere in June in the summer months and what I love to show you is the raw video footage of the drone camera, how it captured it with all the imperfections of the video or of the lighting. So all the videos that I show you on my YouTube channel and everywhere online, on TikTok, Facebook or Instagram, are just raw videos without a single edit of the footage of the video itself. I just add this voiceover record on the video. Due to the drones, as you know, do not record sound, and I don't have so much time and also proper music that I can use without intellectual property problems. So I prefer to make my drone videos most of the time with voiceover of my own voice, sharing to you some information of what you see on the screen or overall about the video. So, as I said, all the people that make drone videos or all the photography guys in the world and gals is something that I don't like. They do is they edit all of their photos and all of their videos as if we will not notice that they edit it, and as if this is kind of a proper thing to do. And it's the opposite. This is something I would never like to do with my videos. I want to show you the raw footage of the video camera, of the drone, or of my phone. I never edit my photos or I never edit my videos to make it in a different look with video effects or video filters or photography filters, you know. This is something I would never like to do, and I don't think it's proper. All the photographers in the world, yes, dear photographers, what you do and edit your photos is a total shit. And you don't share the truth because you edit or over edit your photos and you show us something that in reality we don't see like that in the way you have edited it. So I don't like these edited stuffs, and I am the only one in the world that I'm gonna show you all the time raw video footage and raw pictures from nature as the camera has captured them, not as the guys would like you to see them, making the photographer or the video maker as if are some great guys because of their editing abilities. No, guys, we don't want to see your editing and editing abilities. We want to see raw video footages and raw pictures from reality. How in reality we also see those things sometimes. So, no, thank you. We don't want your edited stuff. We want authentic videos and authentic photos as the eye sees them, usually like the camera sees them on the raw footages or raw photos. So here, folks, you can see in this video so far the vast and beautiful Rhodope Mountain ridges, specifically around the. You can now see the village of Polkovnik Serafimovo in the distance, and the vast area around this village is specifically a bit of a not so steep mountain ridges, like more hilly mountain ridges, Excuse me, folks. And overall, the village of Polkovnik Serafimovo is meadows and forests around it. And there are no mountain formations like steep rock formations or steep rock ridges. And this makes the village quite some beautiful place similar to Hobbiton or the places where the hobbits live from the Lord of the Rings. At least it reminds me of the Lord of the Rings meadows and hilly areas sometimes. Of course, from the drone, it looks a bit different as compared to if you go to the village and see it from the ground and make a walk around the village from the places where you can see nice views, and it will be even more beautiful if you see it with your own eyes. So guys, if anybody of you is interested in coming to visit Bulgaria, and especially Rhodope Mountains, Bulgaria, and the area of Polkovnik Serafimovo Village, which is nearby Smolensk city and also Pomporovo Ski Resort, if you're interested to come here, please, you can contact me. Comment below this video or find any way to contact me. I would love to, if you come here to visit us, to be your free guide and show you some amazing spots and amazing places around Smolensk city vicinity. This very village you see on the video, Polkovnik Serafimovo, or also the Pomporovo Ski Resort. We have quite some, a lot of different and interesting sightseeing places in Rhodope Mountains. Yes, I will not lie to you if I say that only in Rhodope Mountains we have hundreds of different amazing views and spots, and also hundreds of more historical places like ancient fortresses, ancient worshipping temples for the sun and worshipping temples for the nature by the ancient Thracian civilization that lived thousands of years ago around the Rhodope Mountain and also around all over Bulgaria, also some parts of northern Greece, and of course some parts of Romania. Most of the Thracian civilization traces has been found on the today's Bulgarian territory, and of course a big part of today's genetic of Bulgarian nation is coming from the Thracian genetics and from the Thracian tribes, even though some speculations and speculators say that the Bulgarian civilization is actually inherited by the ancient Thracian civilization. And some folks say that the ancient Thracians and the ancient Bulgarians are one and the same nation. Anyway, let's leave the speculation behind. I hope you enjoy the views of this spectacular mountain, folks. This day was very amazing sunshine with a little bit of clouds, making the light just perfect for making videos and photography. Usually whenever I release the drone, I forget to make some photos also. But later on, I can always make a screenshot from all my drone videos, and I can extract amazing photos from the drone video itself. But I will have to, folks, honestly, I will have to make more photos with the drone whenever I release it, just to make not just a video, but a couple of photos to have in a record. Well, folks, it's about to finish this video. I hope you like the Rhodope Mountain, and I just want to say to you, please try and strive to go outdoors, even if not in the mountains, just go outdoors much more often in your life, because time is precious, time is going, and we have to reconnect to nature, go barefoot in the forest or